Alright, so check it out. I made a Lego power button for my computer. It's a simple power switch from another computer tower. Just spliced a really long cable into it, and it goes all the way around my desk and up there and into that tower. So push the button. Boop. Yeah, so now I don't have to reach all the way up there and hit the power button from my desk. I can just sit here. Now for the screen to come on. Soon a new motherboard for you. So we'll boot it up and shut it down with the button. Let's see here, I guess I can crack it open and just the top layers. It was a pain to get together. There. You can see what's inside. Just put these back on there. Oh, why are there new devices? So this is a Techniques piece in there with a spring on there. With some smooth tops, and then it pushes down on the button there. So, goes this way. Oh, and nothing is permanent either. Everything's just wedged in there just perfectly. Yeah. So if we put, hopefully. Okay, now we just boop, and it shuts down. Ta-da!